배를 타고 다급히 어디론가 향하는 사람들. 바다 한가운데 도착한 그들 앞에는 정체 모를 물체 하나가 동동 떠 있었고, 그 속에 있던 건 의식을 잃은 한 우주비행사였죠. 배로 옮겨져 벨트에 묶인 그녀는 오늘의 주인공 샘. 병원에서 눈을 뜨자마자 펜이 중력을 거슬러 둥둥 뜨는 모습을 목격하지만 누군가의 인기척이 들리자 아무 일 없었다는 듯 제자리에 놓여있는 펜.
You're awake.
Totally normal.
Congratulations on your first successful mission, Sam.
Happy to be back.
No. No, I could have stayed up there forever. Though, when I feel better, I would love a cheeseburger.
우주비행사로서 첫 임무를 무사히 마치고 돌아온 그녀는 방금 전에 본 것을 의사들에게 털어놓습니다.
I saw that pen float.
Anti-gravity hallucination. All to be expected.
What's going on here?
Scans show deep swelling, but no fracture. You probably slammed it on impact.
We lost communication with you on re-entry, Sam.
Do you know when you lost consciousness?
I guess in free-fall.
이것저것 물어보자 불안해진 샘은 자신이 발견되던 당시 상황을 물어보는데
Something punctured your capsule and shattered your helmet. You're lucky you survived.
Mommy!
Busy Izzy, hi.
I missed you so much.
I miss you more.
그녀의 소식을 듣고 한달음에 달려온 남편 마크와 딸이지.
Look, I'm okay.
화기애애한 대화 도중 양아버지 해리스도 샘을 보러 찾아오고
How you doing, kiddo?
Okay. You did not have to come here.
My daughter just returned from her first mission in space. I'm not supposed to come? No.
The team just filled me in on what happened. Sounds like a very close call.
We're all very glad that you're okay.
Yeah, me too.
The Pentagon's gonna join NASA on this one.
Really?
Media frenzy about your landing.
The department has secured a beautiful house nearby for your recovery. Out of the spotlight. You and Izzy won't have to deal with any of that stuff.
향후 일정을 듣던 그녀는 추가 검사를 받게 되면서 면회가 마무리되죠.
Okay, time to go.
When I see you next, I'm gonna give you the biggest hug in the whole world, okay? See you soon.
I'll see you soon.
제한구역을 지나 울창한 숲속에 이질감이 느껴질 만큼 크고 세련된 건물 앞에 도착한 샘.
Welcome. Body's reacclimating to gravity. Careful pushing yourself too hard.
그곳에서 만난 에이든 박사가 친절히 집을 안내해 주기로 하는데
We'll give you the tour.
이 상황을 누군가 숲속에서 몰래 지켜보고 있었죠.
It's a bit nicer than my place.
Apparently, the government bought this land in the 50s for weapons testing. General Harris tells us it's just mostly housing for diplomats now.
집을 둘러보며 자연스레 테라스로 향한 두 사람.
I used to have one just like this.
어린 시절을 떠올리며 망원경으로 하늘을 관찰하려던 그 순간 이명과 함께 알 수 없는 기억 조각들이 샘의 머릿속을 마구 휘젓는데요.
What's wrong?
Just a ringing.
Okay, tinnitus is super common. Just wait it out. It'll pass.
Feeling better?
Yeah.
이 모습조차 어김없이 누군가 지켜보고 있었죠.
I know you were briefed pre-flight, but just as a reminder, expect everything from nausea to dizziness, fever, nosebleeds, hallucinations. The human body takes time to remember how to function on Earth.
Right.
The more you report back to us, the better we'll be able to determine if we need to consider delaying future missions.
Delay future missions?
If you exhibit any unusual symptoms or severe side effects, we can't just send you back to training.
So sorry, I'm supposed to go out to the ISS in 2 months.
Honestly, I wouldn't worry about it. We'll be here every morning at 7:30 on the dot, so make sure you're up and ready.
다음 임무 투입 여부가 불투명해지자 불안감을 감추지 못하는 샘. 그날 저녁 절친 베렉에서 한 통의 전화가 오는데
Holy you're alive.
Val,
I've never held my breath for so long. Don't ever do that to me again. Please.
I know, they're still trying to figure out what happened to me.
That's all everybody's talking about.
I'm sure.
친구에게 머물고 있는 집을 자랑하며 농담을 주고받던 그때
Sam? Hello?
창밖 너머로 누군가 자신을 지켜보고 있는 듯한 기척을 느낀 그녀.
Sorry, I just thought I saw something.
황급히 방으로 들어가는 샘을 누군가가 지켜보다 이내 사라지죠.
Sorry.
So you dying to get back up there? This first time in space is such a tease.
I've never felt more at home than I did when I was up there.
You're more obsessed with space than anybody I know, and that's saying a lot. Listen, you want to go back to space, you have to downplay everything. Your symptoms will take a while to go away, but next time around, this will all feel normal.
증상을 절대 말하지 말라는 벨의 조언과 함께 영상통화를 마치고
Bye.
문 밖에서 큰 소리가 들리자 화들짝 놀라며 조심스레 방을 나오는 샘.
What the?
바닥에는 정체 모를 흙자국들과 넘어져 있는 의자가 보였죠. 열려있는 문틈으로 빠져나온 그녀는 망원경을 통해 숲을 찬찬히 살피는데 나무 뒤에서 움직이는 무언가를 발견하고 놀라는 것도 잠시 용감하게 손전등을 비춰 숲속을 살펴보지만 또다시 이명과 함께 알 수 없는 기억이 그녀를 괴롭히죠. 다음 날 아침 울리는 알람 소리에 침대에서 깬 샘. 어제의 일이 무색할 만큼 평온하게 아침 식사를 준비하는데 계란 하나가 어제 봤던 펜처럼 중력을 거스르고 떠오르는 걸 목격합니다.
Hello?
환각이 아님을 증명하듯 누군가의 인기척이 들리자마자 바닥으로 곤두박질 친 계란.
Good morning. The medical team's here if you're ready.
I'll be right there.
샘은 임무 투입을 위한 재활훈련이 아직은 벅찬 상태였지만
You all right?
Yeah.
The electrolytes will make you feel good as new.
I think I'm past electrolytes.
Day one's intense. How's the tinnitus?
It hasn't happened again.
Awesome. Any more hallucinations?
벨의 조언대로 자신의 상태를 솔직하게 말하지 않죠.
We'll be back same time again tomorrow.
Okay.
Make sure to stretch.
에이든이 떠나자마자 남편 마크에게서 걸려오는 영상통화.
Hey, I was thinking, when I get out of here, why don't we go on a family trip? Just the three of us. Beach somewhere.
I don't know if that's a good idea, Sam.
Why not?
I just don't think it's healthy for Izzy to see us together if that's not how it's going to be.
샘은 그에게 입양한 딸 이지와 함께 여행을 가자고 제안하지만 마크는 이를 거절하는데
We almost lost you. We know that you're one of a handful of people that do what you do. We get it. But you've been MIA for 6 months for training. You're going to be gone again for God knows how long for the next mission.
Come on, that's not fair. You know how important this mission is to me. And how important you are, and Izzy.
I thought adopting was going to bring us closer when you couldn't.
서로 몸도 마음도 멀어지는 것 같아 진지한 대화를 이어가던 중 딸의 학교에서 걸려오는 전화로 황급히 대화를 마무리합니다.
We'll come by and see you tomorrow, yeah? Say bye to mommy, baby.
Bye, Mommy. See you soon.
Bye, baby. I'll see you soon.
이후 어제 본 것을 확인하기 위해 집 밖을 나서는 샘. 햇빛 하나 닿지 않는 으스스한 숲을 겁없이 걷던 중 수상한 줄을 발견한 그녀는 망설임 없이 줄을 따라가기 시작하는데요. 그러자 그녀는 수상한 돌이 줄을 깔고 있는 걸 발견하고 긴장되는 마음으로 돌 모형을 열자 첫날부터 자신을 감시하던 카메라 장치의 존재를 깨닫고 미친 듯이 숲에 있는 돌을 확인하기 시작한 샘은 그만 나무 뿌리에 발이 걸려 넘어진 뒤 집에서 눈을 뜨는데
Dad.
Sam, you gave us quite a scare finding you out there like that.
How'd you know where I was?
We stopped by for a surprise visit. You weren't at home, so we did a sweep. Let's get some fresh air.
What did I see out there? Security cameras, or were they recording something?
Didn't think it was necessary to debrief NASA on the,
What do you mean?
해리스는 의미심장한 말과 함께 딸에게 비밀 공간을 소개해 줍니다.
What is this place?
Truth is, it's a safe house. They probably told you what we told them. That this house is for diplomats, which is not entirely wrong. The kinds of people that we normally host here are in need of temporary hiding.
Izzy's birthday?
Sometimes, a place like this is more secure than an embassy.
It's amazing.
지하실의 공간들을 설명하며 이곳이 안전하다는 걸 알려주는 그
And just to put your mind at ease, there are security cameras outside all around the perimeter. In an emergency, the house totally shuts itself down, locking everything behind 3 layers of Kevlar and copper paneling. A lot of these switches are tied to defense systems all around the house, and obviously you won't need any of this, but I didn't want you to think that we were spying on you.
It's good to know.
Anyway, big secret revealed. Why don't we go back upstairs before they come looking for us?
Okay.
샘이 안심하도록 해리스는 비상시 작동하는 시스템들을 친절히 설명한 뒤 두 사람은 지하실을 빠져나오고 그날 저녁 집안에서 무언가 움직인 걸 본 샘은 문을 열고 수색에 나서는데요. 그러나 아무것도 찾지 못해 방으로 돌아가려던 그 순간
Breach detected. Lockdown initiated.
경보음과 함께 낮에 해리스가 알려준 대로 집안이 모두 잠기며 샘은 이곳에 갇히게 되는데 통신마저 끊겨 누구에게도 도움을 요청할 수 없게 됩니다. 다급하게 낮에 해리스가 알려줬던 지하실로 달려가 감시 카메라를 확인하는 샘. 그러다 집 밖에서 수상한 물체가 카메라를 응시하고 있는 걸 목격하죠.
You all right, Sam?
Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the generator.
Yeah, our system's showing there's been some blackouts. Might be a problem with the grid. We'll check it out.
Okay to begin testing, Captain?
Yeah, I'll just be a minute. I'm gonna change. Can I talk to you for a second?
What's wrong?
다음 날 아침 샘은 자신을 찾아온 아버지에게 전날 있었던 일을 털어놓는데
Last night, I mean, maybe it was in my mind or something, but the whole house went into lockdown mode, and I almost had a heart attack. I ended up sleeping in the bunker.
Jesus. I wish you had called
I
me.
tried. There was no service.
You want to transfer back to base?
I don't want them to know I'm struggling.
I will scan all of the security footage while you're doing your testing. And then we'll find out what the what is, okay? You got this. You all right?
해리스에게 용기를 얻고 재활 훈련과 각종 검사를 진행하는 샘.
That doesn't look like normal bruising, Sam.
That landing was no joke, huh?
Let's do another x-ray tomorrow.
Mommy!
Hi, busy bee. Oh, I missed you.
How you doing?
Okay.
이후 약속대로 이지와 마크는 그녀가 있는 곳을 찾아왔고
Grandpa!
Hey, pumpkin. No, Isabel. Right after I adopted your mother, one of the first gifts I gave her was a telescope just like that.
Really?
Let's go talk outside.
What's wrong?
해리스가 이지와 놀아주는 동안 샘은 남편 마크에게도 자신의 증상을 털어놓죠.
I have this crazy bruising spreading all over my body. And, I'm basically seeing things that aren't actually there. I'm having these nightmares that
Hey.
I don't feel good.
Take a breath.
I don't know how to describe it. I don't feel like myself.
Have you reported this to the medical team?
No. I can't risk not being able to go on a mission again.
This is your health we're talking about, Sam.
Listen, I need to tell you something.
그리고 어젯밤에 봤던 것을 조심스레 이야기하는 샘.
I saw something not from this world.
Why?
I was broadcasting signals deep into space. For what? For fun? I don't know what they were communicating. They registered sound waves on the capsule's receiver right before they lost me. What if something followed me back?
추가로 우주에서 있었던 일을 설명하며 그녀는 새로운 가설을 떠올리고 공포심을 느끼는데
There, right there.
몇 분 뒤 해리스와 함께 어젯밤의 영상을 확인하지만 알 수 없는 오류로 화면이 보이지 않았죠.
What happened? It was right there. I swear.
I know this process has been tough on you and the family. Maybe try to get some sleep on the earlier side, lots of water.
Dad, I'm telling you what I saw. It was right there, and it looked like a...
Sam, listen. Are you sure you want to push through another night?
Yeah, I will.
All right, I got to get back to base. I think the power here is good. Don't forget to lock up. Sam, you need anything, you call me, yeah?
Okay.
그렇게 아무 소득 없이 지하실을 빠져나오는 샘.
You okay?
My whole body hurts.
You should just come home with us.
You know I can't. It's just a few more days.
We can come back later tonight.
Yeah. I'd like that.
So I'll call you when we're heading back. Take something for the pain, yeah?
Yeah, I will. See. I'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon.
I love you.
그녀가 걱정된 마크는 밤에 다시 돌아오겠다고 약속한 뒤 집으로 돌아가고 몇 시간 뒤 자신에게 일어나고 있는 기이한 현상과 관련된 자료를 찾기 위해 샘은 인터넷을 검색하는데요. 통증을 느끼는 부위를 확인하자 사진 속 증상이 자신과 똑같음을 발견하고 황급히 방으로 내려가 문을 잠그는 샘.
Sam?
Are you coming back?
We're on our way. Sam,
I'm trying to keep it together, but I think I'm going...
I'm here, Sam. Yeah.
Was I a good mother?
What? Why are you asking me that, Sam?
Breach detected. Lockdown initiated.
자신의 끝을 예감한 듯 남편과 대화를 나누던 도중 또다시 침입자 알림이 울리기 시작하는데
I think there's something in the house.
Repeat that short, 2020.
Please hurry.
샘은 갑작스러운 극심한 통증에 휩싸이며 계단에서 굴러떨어지죠. 게다가 등에서 흘러나온 건 붉은 피가 아닌 투명한 무언가. 감시 카메라가 있는 곳으로 향한 그녀는 침입자의 위치를 파악하기 시작하는데
There are 2 individuals detected.
그 순간 외계 물체를 포착하던 카메라들이 하나둘씩 꺼지기 시작합니다. 조리실로 피신했으나 카메라로만 봤던 것을 두 눈으로 확인한 샘은 서둘러 이곳을 빠져나와 다른 방으로 도망쳤지만 손목에 극심한 통증을 느끼며 황급히 감고 있던 붕대를 풀어보는데 손이 점점 변해가고 있음을 발견하죠. 같은 시각 샘이 머물고 있는 집에 도착한 마크와 이지.
Where's mommy?
I'm not sure. Stay in the car.
What is that?
Izzy! Izzy, stop! Izzy! Hey! Hey! What did we say about running off?
호기심 가득한 이지가 발견한 곳으로 두 사람은 발걸음을 옮기고 한편 숲으로 빠져나온 샘은 어떻게든 이곳을 벗어나려 애쓰는데요.
Not supposed to be here. Okay, people, let's move in. Try to remember what we're dealing with is highly intelligent. Don't do anything stupid.
무언가를 잡으러 온 듯 군인들을 동행해 작전을 펼치기 시작하는 해리스. 어느새 온몸에 푸른빛을 내뿜고 있는 샘은 기진맥진한 채 살려달라며 애원하는데
Please. Please, I have a family.
그러자 그는 샘을 해치는 대신 말을 겁니다.
I can't. Who are you?
원래 그가 살던 세계에서 인간들의 침략이 있었고
Johnson, Sanchez, you take the ravine. Harris, you're with me. Yes, sir.
살기 위해 인간의 모습으로 변한 그를 해리스가 발견해 그의 양딸이 되었던 샘.
What's happening to mommy?
They're not gonna hurt you.
I need all of you to come with me right now.
What are you doing? Put the gun down, Will!
I can't do that, Mark. Look at her. Look at her!
Sam isn't what you think she is. Put too much time and effort into getting them to come back here. Tell them to leave their ship. It's government property now.
You knew all this time?
I gave you a life. Real chance at living.
그녀는 총을 들고 자신을 위협하는 해리스에게 깊은 배신감을 느끼죠.
You've been lying to me.
Mendez, this is Harris. Start your ascent. Target is secure.
Cover you, General.
What are you gonna do, shoot me?
I'm not gonna ask again.
이때 그를 저지하기 위해 몸싸움을 벌이는 마크. 그 사이 샘은 자신의 본래 모습으로 되돌아왔고
You've always been. You have to go, Sam. You have to go now.
I'll see you soon.
이지는 엄마가 자신에게 얘기했던 것처럼 다시 보자는 약속을 전하며 그녀가 편히 떠날 수 있도록 작별 인사를 건네죠. 그렇게 잠시 동안 인간의 삶을 살았던 샘은 본래 고향으로 떠나고 모두가 그 모습을 지켜보며 영화는 마무리되지만 러닝타임 내내 손에 땀을 쥐게 했던 긴장감과 달리 결말이 다소 허무하게 마무리된 작품 애스트로넛이었습니다. 오늘도 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.